Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by defining a secure coding standard that every developer follows on every commit, covering input validation, output encoding, and safe error handling. Require two-factor authentication and least privilege access for all developer accounts, continuous integration, and deployment systems so credentials cannot be reused. Integrate static analysis tools and automated dependency checks into pull requests, and configure them to run within 24 hours to catch outdated libraries, known CVEs, and insecure patterns before code merges. Automate unit, integration, and security tests to run in the CI pipeline for every merge, ensuring coverage of input handling, auth flows, and business logic. Add fuzzing and dynamic analysis to detect runtime vulnerabilities, memory errors, and unexpected exceptions that static tools miss. Configure gating rules so any failing security test blocks the merge and requires the author or a rotating security reviewer to resolve the issue before deployment, reducing the chance of introducing exploitable code into production. Keep secrets out of source code by using a vault or platform-managed environment secrets, and ensure no tokens are stored in configuration files or logs. Rotate keys and secrets every 90 days, automate rotation where possible, and revoke compromised credentials immediately with an incident playbook. Produce signed releases and reproducible builds, verify signatures in deployment pipelines, and use image scanning for containers so you can ensure code integrity and prevent tampered artifacts from reaching production.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.